Radhaswamy to respected sir and all my dear friends. I am Rupam Dubey. My application number is 114826 and my branch is electrical and my physics presentation topic is interference of light. This is the content of my presentation. Nature of light wave, coherent and incoherent sources, interference of light wave, Young's double slit experiment and fringe width. Nature of light wave. Until middle in 17th century, it was believed that light have a particle nature. It was also proved by the Newton corpuscular theory. After 1827, the experiment of Young's on interference could not explain successfully by the corpuscular theory but by the wave theory. So he concluded that light also have a wave nature. So, coherent and incoherent sources. Coherent sources are those sources of light which emit light wave of same frequency, same wavelength, and have a constant phase difference. Incoherent sources are those sources of light which do not emit light wave with a constant phase difference. Interference of light. The redistribution of light intensity due to the superposition of two lights wave is called interference of light. We have two types of interference, constructive and destructive interference. The interference is said to be constructive at a point where the resultant intensity is maximum and destructive at a point where the resultant intensity is minimum or zero. We can see in the slide. Young's double slit experiment. The purpose of this experiment to prove that light also have a wave properties, and he using the two slide S1 and S2. Slide S1 has one pinholes and slide S2 has two pinholes. He also uses the screen and he passes the monochromatic light through these holes, and let's see what is happening. If the light were only particle, then we would see two maxima that correspond to only ray and that hit directly where the slide are located. If light had a wave property, then we able to see the beautiful pattern known as interference from the wave meet each other. Alternate dark and bright fringe known as interference fringe would be appear on the screen. And Young's obtained the interference pattern, position of maxima and minima in the interference pattern. So now the question arises, where we get the in bright fringe and where we get the dark fringe. So let's take S1 and S2 are the two sources, and let's take a point P on the screen. So in the triangle S2P S2NP, the S2P square is equal to x plus d by 2 का whole square plus d square, and S1P square is equal to x minus d by 2 का whole square plus d square. The part difference is given as t upon d. For the bright fringes, the part difference is integral multiple of lambda. So part difference is equal to n lambda. So xn is equal to d n lambda by d. It is a distance of bright fringe from the central fringe. For dark fringe, part difference is odd multiple of half of wavelength. Part difference is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. So we get xn is equal to d 2n plus 1 lambda divided by 2d. It is a distance of the dark fringe from the point O. What is now fringe width? The distance between two constitutive dark or bright fringe is known as fringe width. If nth bright fringe occur at a point P, then xn, the xn d by d is equal to plus minus n lambda. The distance of nth bright fringe from the point O, xn is equal to n d lambda by d, and the next n plus 1th bright fringe occur at x n plus 1 n plus 1 d lambda by d, and the separation between these two is given x is equal to d lambda by d. For the dark fringe, the nth dark fringe occur at a point the wave should be interference destructively. So delta x is equal to plus minus 2 n minus 1 lambda by 2, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. If nth dark fringe from O, xn is equal to 2n plus 1 d lambda by 2d, and the next n plus 1th dark fringe occur 2n plus 3 d lambda by 2d. The separation between these two is given x is equal to d lambda by d. So we can say the fringe width is directly proportional to the wavelength of light. It does not depend upon the n, and it is also directly proportional to the distance between the source and the screen, and it is inversely proportional to the separation between these two. Thank you for being connected with me.